To fix the problem where your phone is in landscape mode on the Google Pixel 11, first of all, as you can see right here, my phone is in the landscape mode. So there's two ways to fix this. If your home screen is in landscape mode, I will show you how to fix it in a moment. First, if you want to fix this problem, just swipe down from the top of the screen like this and then look for this icon. Make sure that your phone returns to normal view when you just grab it like this, and then it should kind of return to normal mode, and then you can disable the auto screen rotation with this icon. When you've done this but your phone still remains in the landscape mode, then let's open a settings on our phone, and then we can navigate to the apps section. Click on the default apps and go to the home app launcher settings. Inside on the bottom there's landscape mode that you can deactivate, and that way your phone should return to its normal view. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.